Hey, what's up guys? It's Pedro here from NoobCoder.com, and in this tutorial I want to go over the break and continue keywords. Now the break and continue keywords is something that you would use within a loop. So let's take a look at what they actually do. We're going to start off with a simple loop. Now you can use this with a for loop or a while loop. In this example I'm going to use a for loop. So just know that they're interchangeable. It doesn't work differently for different loops. It'll work exactly the same. So I created this for loop, and now I want to print onto the console the value of I. So I has a value of, and then we print out I. But now I want to write a conditional. I want to say if I is equal to 2, I want you to break. Now, before I actually run this, let me just comment this conditional out. Let's run it without any breaks or continues. So if I run this prints out 5 times. So this should not be a mystery to you. Let me uncomment this out. And now, so if I is equal to 2, break. So let's see what happens when this code executes. Okay, so what happened? You're like, wait a second. It's supposed to print out 5 times, right? While I is 0, while I is less than 5, print out 5 times. But we only printed out 2. So what's happening here? So I is 0, that's fine. I is 1, that's fine. But when I is equal to 2, I want you to break. So break just means, hey, I want you to kick me out of this loop. Stop executing this loop, kick me out. I don't care what these conditions are. It's irrelevant. Kick me out of the loop. So you see I is 0, I is 1. When I is 2, kick me out. Don't even print this statement out. So that is the break keyword. So now let's change this up and type continue and see what we get. Now we get it to print out 4 times. So what's happening here? Well, 0 seems okay. When I is 1 is okay. When I is 2, what happens? Continue says, hey, I don't care about the rest of the block of code. So I have this line of code here. When I is 2, reset, go to the next iteration. So when I is equal to 2, skip this line of code, go to I is equal to 3. So that's why you get this skip. You get 0, 1, skip 2, 3, and 4. So those are pretty much the use cases of how you would use a break and continue keyword. And I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe.